Hey guys, Ralph here. Welcome to True Power Trumpet Fitness on this terrific Tuesday here in Connecticut. Life's good, campers. Life is good. Anyway, let's get right to it. You saw the thumbnail. Maynard's Hot Canary. Yeah, I didn't mean to go this way. I really didn't when I started with the horse fisher. But anyway, it took a life of its own, so let's go with it. All right? Anyway, let me honk. I have played a little bit, so I should be in pretty good shape. Some high note rips and a little variation on Arbin characteristic number 3. Now, as I said in the opening, my initial reason for putting in Horse Fisher's Hot Canary was to compare his G above double C to Johnny Madrid's. Okay? Very, very close. Okay? Now, this is not the point of what we're saying, but I am going to go out on a limb here. Now, I've heard neither of them live. Okay? All I get is what I hear on YouTube. But I do think Horse Fisher has a bigger tone in the middle register. I do. More tone, power, sizzle, the whole 9 yards. Okay. Nothing against Johnny Madrid, just a thought. Okay, now, with that said, I put up the Hot Canary, and all of a sudden, I get deluged with emails talking about Maynard's, Maurice's, and all this sort of stuff. So let's do it. Let's do Maynard's today, and Maurice's tomorrow, and you can let me know. The thing about it is, the Horse Fisher one, he's not doing a lot of playing other than the high G's. Now, we know how Horse Fisher plays, so we can add that to it and make the decision. But I think just on those recordings alone, the Hot Canary alone, obviously, we're going to talk about the Maurice tomorrow. But let's just go with those two, Horse and Maynard. Maynard's got a bigger tone in the middle register, and he really doesn't. But on that Hot Canary, I like that Hot Canary better than Horse Fisher's, although Maynard does not go up to the G above double C. All right? Now, all three of them, as you're going to hear, are butchered terribly. I mean, plug in this and overdub that and all that type of thing. Fine. Have you ever heard of anybody playing Hot Canary live? In a concert? Not on a YouTube video. No. No, I haven't. I mean, it's not a great piece of music, and it is, again, but be that as it may, again, it's sort of taken a life of its own. And out of these two, I think I like, on record, just between these two, I like Maynard's better. Maynard's version better. As I said, we know Horse Fisher can play. We know what he can do. He doesn't necessarily do it on that recording, other than the squeals up there. I'm not sure if Johnny Madrid's G's above double C are a little fatter than Horse, although Horse has the edge with the fat tone in the middle register. Go figure. That's concept that, again, you got to hear him live. You got to hear him like in the studio, right here, sitting down and playing right next to each other, right? I mean, really. But what we have at our disposal, so far I like Maynard's better. All right? All right. Let me know what you think down below, and we will take it from there. Have a great day, guys. Love you all.